Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your Sony Xperia 10.4. So in order to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here begin a search for an app, enter Firefox, open this app, install it. Now after installation process is complete we'll be able to open the app. Here you can start customizing it, you can pick any theme, change toolbar placement, always on privacy setting. Here you can sign in to Firefox to synchronize it between other devices. And lastly is to read the privacy notice, and after that click on start browsing, open any website. And right here as you can see the browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.